Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss the current affairs of 11th and 12th May 2020. So let us begin from the first question. Mission started by India to help the Indian Ocean island countries to combat COVID-19. So the answer is Mission Sagar. So Mission Sagar started by India to help its Indian Ocean island countries to combat coronavirus disease. As there is a coronavirus pandemic, so India government also sending food items, testing kits, medicines to other countries like Mauritius, Madagaskar, Maldives, Seychelles, so that it helps as there is a need for help. So India also sending 580 tons of food items to Maldives in INS Kesari. So we should move to the next question. UN declares how much money will be given to vulnerable countries for COVID-19 relief. So the answer is $6.7 billion. United Nations recently declared that it will given $6.7 billion rupees to those countries are affected by coronavirus disease, and it has given $6.7 billion. So here is United Nations. It is formed in the year 1945, October 24. That's why we observed October 24 as United Nations Day. And the headquarters of United Nations is New York, and General Secretary of UN is Antonio Guterres, and total member of United Nations is 193. Next question is National Technology Day observed on. The answer is 11th of May. We observe National Technology Day. So why we observe this on 11th of May? Because 11th of May at Pokhran, India tests the nuclear test, but India tests the nuclear in 1974 for first time, which is called Smiling Buddha. Okay, and this year 2020 theme of National Technology Day is rebooting the economy through science, technology and research translations, which is called Restart. Okay, the next question is the COIR board tied up with which IIT to establish a center of excellence for COIR applications. So to develop the COIR industry, to develop the COIR technology, it has signed an agreement with IIT Madras for its excellence in COIR applications, so that it will move and do excellence in the business. So next question is, here is the chairman of COIR board is Sudhir Garg, and next question is the number of tigers are increased from 88 to 96 in which tiger reserve as compared to 2019 and 20. So as compared to 2019 and 20, the tigers are increased from 88 to 96, and the answer is Sundarban, which is in West Bengal. So in Sundarban Tiger Reserve, the tigers are increased from 88 to 96. And about West Bengal, the CM is Mamata Banerjee, Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar, capital is Kolkata, major rivers are Ganga, Hooghly, Damodar, Tista, and the folk dance, which is very important folk dance of West Bengal, is Chhau. And the next question is, which institute has prepared the first indigenous antibody detection for COVID-19? And the answer is National Institute of Virology, Pune. So National Institute of Virology, Pune prepared the first indigenous antibody detection COVID-19, for which we will test more number of persons in less times. Okay, so that we will know how much persons are affected with coronavirus disease, and so that we give them proper treatment and also quarantine the persons who are related to that person, related to the affected person. Okay, so the answer is National Institute of Virology. You should remember that it is in Pune. And the next question is, with whom has the ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, tied up for the delivery of the COVID-19 testing kits? So ICMR tied up with India Post to deliver the testing kits throughout India. Okay, so ICMR is Indian Council of Medical Research, whose headquarters is in New Delhi, and the director is Balram Bhargava. Next question is, who wrote the book called Finding Freedom? So the answer is both A and B, and it is the biography of Harry and Meghan, the princess and the queen of the royal family. On them this book has written Finding Freedom. So the writers are Omid Scobie and Caroline Durant. Okay, next question is, which state or UT has the lowest infant mortality rate? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh has the lowest infant mortality rate, which is 32 for 1000. So we take 1000 as the base. Okay, so about Madhya Pradesh, its CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Lalji Das Tandon, and the capital is Bhopal, and the major rivers are Narmada, Chambal and Betwa. So here infant mortality means the child death rate. Okay, how many child are dying if you take 1000 at the base. Okay, so next question is, who has been made as a member of the advisory council of the 15th Finance Commission? So the answer is Krishnamurthy Subramaniam, made as a member of the advisory council of the 15th Finance Commission, and the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission is N.K. Singh. And the next question is, who has developed UV, that is ultraviolet based sanitizer, named Dhruv? So Dhruv is Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer. And the answer is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, has developed this UV based sanitizer named Dhruv. We are using sanitizer that is in the liquid form, but here we use UV based sanitizer so that we will sanitize the rooms, the medicals, the trains and other massive things with this. So it's a good development by the DRDO, and the chairman of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. And the next question is, in which state Chittaranjan Locomotive Works has produced an automatic medical trolley? And the answer is West Bengal. So in West Bengal, Chittaranjan Locomotive Works has produced an automatic medical trolley. As in the normal trolley, the persons are moving the trolley from one place to another, but here in the automatic trolley, the medicines and the other equipments will move to the patient with a remote system, so that the persons will not be affected with coronavirus disease. Okay, so this is a good development by the Chittaranjan Locomotive Works. And we know about West Bengal in the previous question. So in here the next question is, which country produced monoclonal neutralizing antibody for COVID-19? So it developed a antibody which is clone, and it will fight against the coronavirus disease, and the defense minister of that means Israel. Okay, so answer is Israel. So Israel's defense minister declared that they are created or developed the medicine or the vaccine for coronavirus disease. So they will make patent, and then they will commercialize it to the world. Okay, so about Israel, its capital is Jerusalem, currency is shekel, PM is Benjamin Netanyahu. And the next question is, unemployment rate has been reported in India till May 3rd. So till May 3rd, the unemployment rate in India is 27.11%. So it is growing. So the last question of today's discussion is, Israel named a city in its country after the name of? The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. So after the name of Rabindranath Tagore, Israel named its city, that is in Tel Aviv. It gave a street's name, that is Rabindranath Tagore Street. Okay. And about Rabindranath Tagore, it was the 159th anniversary of him, and he got Nobel in the year 1913 for his book Gitanjali. And he also written national anthem of India as well as national anthem of Bangladesh. So all of you know about Bangladesh, that is the currency is Dhaka and capital is Dhaka, and the PM of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe your channel CS Patnaik CP Classes, and for the next videos please stay tuned to this channel.